I just received my package from Knife Month. Let's unbox it together. So it comes with 2 knives and a cute little ninja sticker. I'm in love with this thing. Forever in my heart. Okay, first knife. It's a green. I love the texture on this. It's super cute. Okay, now let's watch it open. Super easy. Super easy. This one's sharp. Easy to close. Okay. Okay, let's check the switch on this thing. This one was a little bit tougher, but I'm sure the more you use it, the better, the easier it is. Okay guys, go check out Knife Month for some free knives.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a Ken. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive.